Hi, my name is John from Appliance Repair and Air Ducting. I want to demonstrate how we use these special air tools to clean your dryer vent line. Even if you weren't home, we can do this, so you don't even take off for work, anything like that. To show you how great this works. We put it in all the way until you get to the back towards the transition job. You know, we're trained to feel this, so we know what we're doing. Push this in, get it back. Now I'm starting to feel like I'm gonna hit an elbow to go back to the back of the dryer, so I'm gonna push my way out now. Get all that out of there. And then just for safety, we're gonna go back in again. There you go. Always get something else on that second time. Right, I'm gonna bring her out. Clean this up a little bit out here with the air duct tool. There you go. Clean line.